Why does your scanner show the P22A3 engine code? What does it mean? P22A3 is a diagnostic trouble code for NOx sensor heater control circuit or Open Bank 1, Sensor 2. The P22A3 engine code for indicate this means the vehicle's engine control module, ECM, has detected a break in the wiring or a malfunction in the internal heater of your downstream NOx sensor. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty NOx sensor, damaged wiring, loose or broken connectors, blown fuse or relay, bad engine control module, ECM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Chevrolet, Honda, Audi, and Jaguar. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.